a while ago we write 24-hour time or military time into 12-hour time. So this time we will write 12-hour time to 24-hour time, or into from 12-hour time to military time. So in this case, the first part is from the beginning of the day, 12 midnight to 12:59 a.m. Okay. First is subtract 12 from the R part, which is this one. This is the R part. And remove this sign. Change the midnight or AM to hours. So for example, 12:30 a.m., then we will subtract 12 here. 12 minus 12, the answer is 0, 0. So 0, 0, 30 a.m. Then remove this sign. Then change it into hours. Okay. Then change it into hours. Next, 12:06 a.m. or 12:06 a.m. Subtract again 12 minus 12, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 6 a.m. Then remove that sign. Then insert hours. So that's how we do it, but we need to consider this one. It must be in 12 midnight or 12 to 59 a.m. in order for you to use this. For the next bracket of hour, from 1 a.m. to 12 noon, just remove this sign and replace a.m. with hours. For example, we have 2 a.m. Then just remove this one, 0, 2, 0, 0. Then replace a.m. with hours. Next is 10:56 a.m. Remove this sign, then replace it with hours. Remember, we can only use this if the time is within 1 a.m. to 12 noon. So next is from 12 p.m. to 12:59 p.m. Just remove this sign and replace p.m. with hours. So for example, 12:06 p.m. So for example, 12:06 p.m. So just remove the sign, then change it with hours. The same with here, 12:28 p.m. Remove the sign in between hour and the minute part, then write hours. So next bracket of time is from 1 p.m. to 12 midnight. Add 12 hours, remove the sign, and replace p.m. with hours. Example is 3:50 p.m. First is add 12 hours to the hour part. So 3 plus 12, we can get 15. Then write 15, remove the sign in between the hour part and the minute part, then change PM into hours. So that's it. 15:50 hours. Another example is 11:26 p.m. 11:26 p.m. How to write it? So if you are asking for the military clock, it is the 24-hour clock. So I will teach you on how to write 24-hour clock into 12-hour clock, because what we are using is the 20 or the 12-hour clock. The first one is from 000 to 0059 hours. Write 12, then this sign before the minute part and annex or add AM. So in this case, the first two is the hour part and the second two is the minute part. So how we write this one? From 000 to 0059, write 12, then this sign before the minute part and annex AM. So be careful with this part. So in that case, let's just, since it is 0015 and it is under in this bracket, so we can use this one. Write 12, then this one, write 12 before the minute part, then the minute part, which is 15, then annex AM. So 0015 hour, when we write it in 12-hour clock, it becomes 12:15 AM. So you should consider this part, okay, the bracket. Let's try this one. 0058. So how can we write this one? Just write 12 before the minute part, then copy the minute part, then add AM. So that's it. Next, if in the first one 000 to 0059, the second part is from 0100 to 1159. So it means this. So in this part, insert this sign between the hour part and the minute part and add AM. So for example, 0912, it is under in this bracket. So we can perform this instruction. So insert this sign between the hour part and the minute part. So this is the hour part, minute part, insert, then add AM. Next example, 10:1023. You can only use this when it is 0100 to 1159. You can also use this one 12, then minute plus AM, if it is 0000 to 0059. So next is from 1200s to 1259. Insert this sign between the hour part and the minute part and add PM. For example, 11:23. Then we will write it as, must be 12. 12:23. So 12, then 23 PM. Another example, 12:09, then 12:09 p.m. So from 1300s to 2359, subtract 12 from the hour part and insert between the hour part and the minute part. For example is 14:30. So 14:30 is under in this bracket. So subtract 12 from the hour part, which is this one. So 14 minus 12, the answer is 2. Then just copy the minute part, 30. Then insert this sign in between the hour part and the minute part. So this is the hour part and the minute part. Then I forgot that we should add PM. Another example is 21:16. So to write this one, 21:16 minus 12 on the hour part. 21 minus 12 is 9. Then insert. So that's how we write it. So I will teach you on how to read military time. So in this case, we read it individually if it is single digit. So how do we read this first? 0, 100. So how 0, 100 if it is, then we read as 0, 200, 0, 300. And in this case, we have 10. So if we have 10, we can read this as 10 hundreds, 20 hundreds, 15 hundreds, 11 hundreds. But if we have like this, okay, 0, how do we read this one? 0, 6, 45. If we have 2 digits on the minute part, then we read it as 0, 6, 45. If we have double digit on the hour part and double digit on the minute part, then we read this as 11:25. So that's how they read military time. 0, 200, 0, 100, 0, 200, 0, 300, 10 hundreds, 20 hundreds, 15 hundreds, 11 hundreds, 0, 6, 45, 0, 8, 23, 11:25, 10:23. So that's how we read military time.